Good afternoon. Today is lesson 16 and it is word problems. Word problems about separating. Word problems about separating. Now, hopefully right away in your head you thought, well, word problems about separating, that would mean the some went away, what was left, which would be subtraction problems. So basically we are looking at word problems with subtraction or word problems about separating. Now, just to get it down so you have the basic idea, let's go ahead and put our format of sum minus, which would be some went away, and what is left. What is left? Some went away, and what is left. Now, it's great that we do these after the past few lessons where you've been working with missing numbers in both subtraction problems and addition problems, because really all this is just trying to figure out what number goes in what position. Is it the sum? Is it the sum that went away? Or is it the what is left? Okay, just a reminder, whenever you see the photo of words, you don't need to copy them. You just need to copy what I am writing down. So I put up here the practice problem that we're going to do. Don't copy it down, just copy down what I write. Okay, you can see that right now we have got three numbers. We have the $28. Oh, we have two numbers. $12. How much money did Cullen have? So that's our question. So we have two numbers, $2 amounts, and then our question. Now we need to figure out what part is the sum. We need to figure out what is the sum went away. And we need to figure out the what is left. Some went away, and what is left. It's just a matter of putting those numbers in the right spot. So if it says Cullen had $28, well, think, is that our sum that he started with, our sum that went away, or is that the what is left? Well, hopefully if you're thinking, you would say, oh, he started with $28, so that's his sum that he had. After he spent $12, well, the $12 would be what is left. If it says after he spent, oh, well, that would be the sum that went away is his $12 that he spent. And how much money did he have, or what was left? How much money did he have left? Well, that would make sense. Always check palm trees and penguins, even with just laying out the problem. So I would say 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now I would say, does it make sense that he has $16 left? It does make sense, because he started with 28. If I ended up with a number bigger than 28, well, then something went wrong. That would be a penguin. So right now, it looks like I'm looking at palm trees. 28 minus 12 equals 16. He had 28. He spent 12. He has 16 left over. So again, it's just looking at what is the sum that went away, and what is left. So again, just playing with the numbers and make sure everything makes sense. Let's take a look at another one. Again, don't write anything down that's up there in a picture. Remember, we're going to have a sum. Some went away, and what is left. So here we have, after losing 234 pounds. Well, that's a number of 234 pounds. But that after losing seems like it might be important. Jumbo the elephant still weighed, seems kind of important, 4,368 pounds. Big boy. He's an elephant. So how much did Jumbo weigh? Oh, look, there's kind of another important word. Before he lost the weight. Well, if I'm now going to look at my numbers, the sum that he started with, the sum that went away, and the what is left. Well, do we know what the sum was that he started with? Did he start at 4,368 pounds? No, because we're looking at it right here and it says he still weighs 4,368 pounds. So that's what he still weighs. That's not the what went away, and it's not what he started with. So that must be the what is left, is the 4,368 pounds of him is still left. All right, so now I need to figure out the sum, and the sum went away. Well, he lost 235 pounds, so that would make sense to say he lost, or what went away, was 234 pounds, which means I don't know how much he started with, and I check, you're right. How much did Jumbo weigh before he lost the weight? Ah, that's what I'm figuring out. Now here's where we have to go back to what we did a couple lessons ago. What am I going to do? Well, it's a subtraction problem, so I am going to throw it into reverse and say 4,368 plus 234. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 6 plus 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry the 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. And 4. So 4,602 pounds. Now I'm going to turn around and put that back over here, and let's put it with bigger, darker numbers so it's easy to see. 4,602 pounds. Now I'm going to check right here, palm tree or penguin. Does that make sense? That he started at 4,602 pounds. He lost 234 pounds, and he now weighs 2,368 pounds. Well, that does make sense. So even if I just round it and say 4,600 minus 200, it's going to give me about 4,400. So I know that I'm looking at a palm tree. Then I just have to make sure, did I do all of my addition correct? And I can do that by checking my subtraction right here. So, again, you're going to end up with two numbers and be trying to find the third. You just have to slow down enough to figure out, what are you looking for? Are you looking for the sum? Are you looking for the sum went away? Or are you looking for the what is left? Make sure you're seeing palm trees when you lay them out. Just think it and read it through carefully. You might even want to get into the habit of just writing down the numbers and then figuring out where they go after that. We will talk about a few more of these tomorrow. We'll do a couple of them together in class, and then we'll let you try your hand at it. So, those are problems, word problems with separating, some went away, and what is left. I hope you have a fantastic evening, and I will see you tomorrow.